Vitamin A is a skincare superstar. It's renowned for its ability to rejuvenate and revitalize the skin, making it a must-have in any skincare routine. It's a powerful ingredient that can transform your skin. From reducing fine lines and wrinkles to evening out skin tone, Vitamin A works wonders. If you're looking for a brighter, smoother, and more youthful complexion, Vitamin A should be on your radar. It helps in shedding dead skin cells and promotes the growth of new, healthy skin. This video will guide you through the world of Vitamin A, unlocking its secrets for radiant skin. We'll explore how it works, its benefits, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Vitamin A is not just one ingredient, but a family of compounds. These include retinol, retinol, and retinoic acid, each with unique properties and benefits. These compounds, known as retinoids, work wonders on the skin. They boost collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and fade hyperpigmentation. Retinoids also help in treating acne and improving skin texture. Prepare to discover the transformative power of Vitamin A. Whether you're dealing with aging skin, acne, or just want a radiant glow, Vitamin A can be your go-to solution. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into its benefits and how to make the most of this incredible ingredient. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient that our bodies need. It plays a vital role in vision, cell growth, and immune function. When it comes to skincare, Vitamin A is a true game changer. Topically applied Vitamin A derivatives like retinol work deep within the skin. They increase cell turnover, which means your skin sheds dead cells more efficiently. This process reveals fresh, new skin, giving you a youthful glow. Retinol, retinoids, Retin-A. These terms can be confusing. Let's break them down. Retinoids are the umbrella term for all Vitamin A derivatives. Retinol is a type of retinoid available over the counter. It converts to retinoic acid in the skin. Retin-A is a brand name for tretinoin, a potent retinoid available by prescription only. The strength and availability of these retinoids vary. Retinol is milder and suitable for beginners. Prescription retinoids, like Retin-A, are stronger and require a doctor's guidance. Ready to experience the magic of retinol? Start slowly. Introduce it gradually to avoid overwhelming your skin. Begin by using a pea-sized amount twice a week. Always apply retinol at night. Sunlight can deactivate retinol and make your skin more sensitive. In the morning, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Sun protection is crucial when using retinoids. Before we dive into some common concerns, if you're finding this information helpful, why not hit that subscribe button? By subscribing, you'll stay in the loop with all our tips and tricks to unlock your best skin yet. Retinol can cause temporary dryness, redness, or peeling, especially when you first start using it. Don't worry, this is normal. You can minimize irritation with a few simple tips. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Use a gentle, hydrating moisturizer both morning and night. If you experience excessive dryness, reduce the frequency of retinol application. Start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin adjusts. Fun facts and expert tips. Unlocking the full potential of retinol. Did you know that retinol can even help with body acne? Apply a retinol-containing body lotion to areas prone to breakouts. Retinol is a versatile ingredient that can benefit your skin from head to toe. Here's a quick tip. Store your retinol products in a cool, dark place. Exposure to light and heat can degrade retinol, making it less effective. The power of patience. Witnessing the transformative effects of retinol. Remember, good things take time. Patience is key when it comes to skincare, especially with retinol. Retinol is not a quick fix. It's a powerful ingredient that works gradually to improve your skin. It takes time for your skin to adjust and for the magic to happen. Initially, you might experience some dryness or irritation. You might not see dramatic results overnight, but don't give up. Consistency is crucial. Stick to your routine and trust the process. With consistent use, you can expect to see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and clarity within a few weeks. Your skin will start to feel smoother and look more radiant. Fine lines and wrinkles will appear reduced, and your complexion will look brighter and more even. Over time, you'll notice a significant transformation, revealing a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Embrace the glow. Vitamin A for a radiant complexion. Incorporating vitamin A into your skincare routine is an investment in your skin's future. With its ability to combat acne, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation, vitamin A is a skincare powerhouse that can help you achieve a radiant, youthful complexion. Remember to start slowly, be patient, and protect your skin from the sun. Don't forget to visit the Viking Treat website for all your skincare needs. Your skin's next glow-up is just one click away. Embrace the power of vitamin A and unlock the secret to glowing skin.